Hello students. So today we will discuss an important topic of biology, that is amino acids. And you know this topic is important for all the exams generally. UPSC, SSC, State Staff Service Selection Commissions, even TAT, and most importantly NEET. Okay, NEET and NET in biological sciences. So amino acids are what? Amino acids, I think everybody of you know. They are the building blocks of, yes, proteins and enzymes. So amino acids are building blocks of proteins and enzymes. Remember this. They are the building blocks. Means they help in formation of various types of proteins which are ultimately responsible for, yes, formation of our body, its various parts, all the things related to life. Yes, shabash. So you know, now we come discuss about the general structure of amino acids. Now they are called as amino acids. Means they have amino group in their structure and they have carboxyl yani acid, carboxyl group in their structure. So how do that occurs? How is there? This is what we have. This is what is there. Or you can also say, if we put it here NH2, then R will be here. Easily ज़्यादा remember करना हो, easily, and you should put them opposite sides. This is what? This is amino group, and here we have carboxyl group, and this is the side chain. Yes, side chain, or sometimes we call it as R group. Hydrogen is there. This amino group is attached to which carbon? You may be asked in the exam. This is alpha carbon. Alpha carbon is which carbon? Ultimately, everybody knows, in organic chemistry we have seen this. Carbon attached to the main functional group is alpha carbon, and here carbon attached to carboxyl group is called alpha carbon. Right, students? This is alpha carbon. So this is the structure of amino acid. You can take a screenshot. You can note it down. Alpha carbon. This is the basic structure of amino acid. Now you see, what are amino acids? Basically, they are the molecules having carboxyl group and amino group in its molecule. So, and these amino and carboxyl group are also attached to a side chain of, yes, R group. So now, let us see one thing. How they are helping to form proteins. You know, different types of amino acids, their chains of different types of amino acids arrange them to form the proteins. And these linear chains, they are basically what? Polypeptide chains. So basically what happens? Amino acids, different amino acids, they unite to form polypeptide chains. Polypeptide chains, which ultimately are what? Proteins, which ultimately form proteins. So this is how amino acids are important for our life. Now we will discuss about the classification of amino acids. One more thing, remember this, that generally what we have read, that there are 20 amino acids, but students, if we talk it in terms of, genetically encoded proteinogenic amino acids, then remember there are 22 amino acids. 20 generally we have read them, and other important additional 2 amino acids, they are what? Guess kariye? They are selenocysteine and pyrroleucine. Yes, selenocysteine and pyrroleucine. So if we include these two, then totally there are 22 genetically encoded amino acids. Now we will discuss more. So I suggest you that you should prepare, but practice also must be done on daily basis. Okay? Because practice makes a man perfect, and with practice you go through many details, many concepts which you slip in day-to-day study. So today, students, I am going to discuss with you an important topic of biology of NEET exam, that is amino acids. Amino acids, you know, these are the acids, these are the organic acids, these are organic acids. Why we are calling them organic acids? Because having COOH, carboxylic acid group, in their structure. Okay? These are organic acids which have amino group attached to their molecule at alpha carbon. Alpha carbon is which carbon? बोलिए जल्दी. कार्बोक्सिलिक अमीनो एसिड के स्ट्रक्चर में जो अल्फा कार्बन होगा वो कौन सा होगा? The carbon which is next to the carboxylic acid carbon group. So now we come to the structure. Structure will be like this. You will have COOH, and then we will have this carbon, and NH2 is attached here. So this is the general structure of an alkyl group is here. So this is the general structure of amino acid. So they are also called as, because NH2 is attached to alpha carbon, they are also called as alpha amino acids or alpha amino acids, whatever, in what way you want to call it. So these are amino acids. बहुत बड़ा है, याद नहीं होते हैं, भूल जाते हैं. ओके, नाउ यू सी व्हाट इज देयर. ये एसिडिक फंक्शन शो करेगा, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, एंड बेसिक कैरेक्टर विल बी प्रोवाइडेड बाय अमाइनो ग्रुप. सो अमाइनो एसिड एक बहुत ही पेक्यूलियर, बहुत ही स्पेशलाइज्ड मॉलिक्यूल है. सो यू कैन नोट इट डाउन, नीट के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ यू नो अमाइनो एसिड की पेक्यूलियर प्रॉपर्टी, स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी क्या है अमाइनो एसिड की? बोलिए, याद करिए, शाबाश. स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी of amino acid is what? In this, both amino group means NH2 group and carboxylic acid group. Carboxylic acid group, both amino and carboxylic acid group, they are ionizable. Yes, they are ionizable. So many properties will be there then according to their nature. Now see how it happens, how they behave in different types of solutions having different pH. So how they behave we will come to know with a structure. तो क्या करेंगे हम? This is one. Second one will be, second one deuterion, आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, having both positive and negative part, deuterion. This, look here, then how it happens, note करिए. This is how this molecule, this structure of amino acid changes in different types of solutions having different pH values, and this is called deuterion. नोट करिए, शाबाश शाबाश, ठीक लिखा है, वेरी गुड, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. Now we will discuss their classification. ये लर्न कर लीजिए. This is basic property of amino acids and how it behave in different types of solutions. यहाँ तक लर्न हो गया? Okay, शाबाश. Next, classification of amino acids. So you know, try to understand it कि क्या हो सकता है. Yes, yes, शाबाश. Classification, categorization. Yes, number one is essential amino acids. अब कोई भी चीज हमारे लिए why it is essential, Because if our body is not able to synthesize these amino acids, that's why we are calling them essential, because they are essential. We have to get them from outside sources also, because our body needs but it does not synthesize. So we require them, and we will accomplish our need by getting them from other types of nutrients in our diet. So they are called essential amino acids. And they are what? They are number 1, leucine, number 2, isoleucine, number 3, valine. गैस करिए आप लोग भी, शाबाश. Number 4, tryptophan. Number 5, threonine. और बोलिए if anybody can. Phenylalanine, lysine, phenylalanine, lysine, and last one, guess करिए, last one, because only 8 amino acids are in essential category. Remember this. That is methionine. That is methionine. That is methionine. Yes, yes, shabash. Very good. So students, now see, there are only 8 essential amino acids, and they are leucine, isoleucine, valine, tryptophan, threonine, phenylalanine, lysine, and methionine. So now rest will be non-essential amino acids. Rest will be non-essential amino acids. ठीक है? All of the rest amino acids. But students, remember one thing, that some amino acids are such, okay, which act as growth promoting factors in the body. What? Growth promoting factors in the body. And since they are promoting the growth, and they are also synthesized inside the body, but they are not synthesized in such an amount the body needs. तो क्या होगा उसके लिए? Body will supply in a limited amount, but we will also accomplish them from our food. So they are termed as semi-essential amino acids. So इसमें से ही हम उसको क्लासिफिकेशन को निकालेंगे. They will be semi-essential amino acids. Semi-essential amino acids. Okay? Not synthesized in body, not synthesized in sufficient amount inside the body. So in addition to the body synthesis, they are also accomplished from outside to supplement our growth needs. They are called semi-essential. For example, arginine and histidine. Note this. Arginine and histidine. They are semi-essential. Now, this was the general classification of amino acids. You can take that screenshot. This is general classification. Now we will discuss another type of classification of amino acids, which is based upon their structure and the reaction they show, because reaction will be according to their structure. So classification on the basis of structure and reaction. Classification of amino acids on the basis of their structure and reaction. So let us see how it happens. Number one, note it down. Number one, neutral amino acids. Shabash. Neutral amino acids. Can you guess? Neutral कैसे कहेंगे हम उनको? How? They will be termed as neutral because they contains equal number of amino groups and equal number of carboxylic acid groups. So they are basically neutral. Got it? So they are what? Glycine. Remember this, neutral category. Glycine, alanine, valine, alanine, valine. और guess करिए. If you know, you can write it down. Leucine, isoleucine, leucine, isoleucine. These are the neutral amino acids. ठीक है? Second category, student, that is acidic amino acids. Acidic. The name itself is telling you कि acidic character will be more. So acidic character is given by yes, COOH group, carboxylic acid group. So extra carboxylic acid will be there in acidic amino acids, and their examples will be aspartic acid, asparagine, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, asparagine, glutamic acid, and glutamine. Glutamic acid and glutamine. Now I think third category you can very well tell me, that will be yes, shabash, basic amino acids. Basic amino acids. Now what will be there in the basic? Yes, NH2 group will be more in number. Yes. So basic amino acids. Arginine, lysine, histidine. Arginine, lysine, histidine. This is what there is in basic amino acid group. Okay. Then we have sulfur containing amino acids. Shabash, write it down. Sulfur containing amino acids. The name itself tells you that there will be element sulfur in these amino acids. Cysteine, methionine, and cysteine. These are the examples of sulfur containing amino acids. Then we have alcoholic amino acids. Write it down. Alcoholic group containing amino acids. Yes, shabash. OH group होगा इसमें. So you can guess कि क्या हो सकते हैं. And if you don't know, then note down. Serine, threonine, tyrosine. These are the examples of alcoholic amino acids. Then we have, students, aromatic amino acids. Aromatic amino acids means they are containing benzene ring in their structure. They are called as aromatic. Yes, shabash. Learn करिए इसको. Phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan. Phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan, histidine, yes, these are the examples. And last is heterocyclic. Heterocyclic, last. Heterocyclic amino acids. Means ring structure will be different. That is called heterocyclic. रिंग स्ट्रक्चर में कुछ डिफरेंस हो सकता है, नाइट्रोजन हो सकता है उसमें. ठीक है. सो दे आर हिस्टिडाइन, proline. Examples are histidine and proline. Now listen, one thing that you have noticed it, that one example, one category of amino acid is coming in various categories because due to its structure, due to its composition. अगर उसमें वो चीज available है, so it will be put in different categories. So we have amino acids which are neutral, amino acids which are acidic, amino acids which are basic, amino acids which are having sulfur in their molecule, amino acids which are alcoholic, means having OH group, amino acids which are aromatic, and amino acids which are having heterocyclic structure. So this was the second way of classifying amino acids. I think structure of amino acids, there are two different types of classificatory mechanisms. They are helpful in solving questions related to these topics, and I think this will be very helpful for your NEET examination as well as other competitive examinations like NET, like NDA, or like general examinations of UPSC and SSC also. So students, you can take screenshot also and you should revise them very perfectly. It is not very tough, it is easy, but you must have willpower to revise it properly. Thank you.